What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wulf back with another video. You see Cerberus in the back looking beastly, and today we're gonna be getting that muffler delete I told you guys about in the previous video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know, I gotta give you guys a shout out because at one point I was up to like 85% of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Now it's down to 72%. So that's good. That's a win. Let's get into it. My last cold start and my last revs of the Borla Atak exhaust, if you're curious about that. Alright guys, as you can see, we are in Cerberus and we are on the way to the exhaust shop. Come on, man, hopefully they're talking some good numbers. I'm gonna see if I can get this muffler deleted and get some exhaust tips. That is my main goal for today, is getting the muffler delete and my exhaust tips done. So as you know, I have the factory Challenger exhaust tips, so I'm kind of hoping to remedy that and get some actual ones that actually like make a difference, because I feel like once I had got the performance exhaust, those exhaust tips were like useless and terrible. They did nothing for the sound. So that's the plan for today. Heading there now. I'll let you guys when I get there. Just want to give you guys a quick update about that body kit. So as far as the body kit goes, I feel like that's like a 99 to 100% thing that I'm gonna do. But let me tell you guys, that joint is expensive. And the shipping, whoo, bruh, the shipping costs like as much as my hood, my carbon fiber hood from Anderson Composite. Shipping is probably gonna be $1,500 to $2,000 for the kit. So, not gonna lie, it might be a while. I don't know what type of money you guys think I got, because all the stuff that's on my car and all the money that I've spent on the car has been a process. So, man, it's gonna be a while. I might get a damn GoFundMe or some shit. God damn, money for mods or something. God damn. But nah, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. But it's gonna be a process, just like the rest of the build. So I just want to give you guys an update. Let you guys know that is still in the cards, but it's gonna be a second. How about you at the exhaust shop? All right, guys, we have arrived at High Float Custom Exhaust. They do turbo downpipes, intakes, welding, lowering springs, brakes, and front ends. I'm here for the exhaust. Let's see what they're talking about, guys. Like I said before, I hope this shit sounds good, because if it sounds bad, I'm gonna be big embarrassed, because I spent $1,400 for my exhaust, excuse me, for the Borla Atak. If I cut these mufflers off and it sound horrible, I'm like, hey bruh, put them joints back on. That joint sound terrible. So hopefully it sounds good. Let's get in there. There he goes. The Cerberus going in. Hey, open the door, Chad. I know you hear the power outside. Maybe not. Maybe they don't hear the power outside. Damn. Cut this damn thing off. Open sesame. Okay, they do hear the power. Alright guys, the thing is going with these huge quad tips. They try to get me to get some wicker flows or something like that. That thing looks crazy. That's probably something I'm gonna do next time you hear it. So I'm gonna start with the delete and these tips. There's a slow civic behind me making a slow civic making a bunch of noise, but we're gonna get into that in a second. Service going up. luxury these days. The mufflers and take these things off.
What tips do you want?
Probably the quad tips. If they'll fit. I think he had these ones right here. You guys don't have black ones, do you?
Alright. Got them in these blue. They're not going to line up with this. It's going to be too close.
Okay.
The only way to do it is to redo that. So it just slides over here. So it's got to be.
Alright. Damn, was this black stuff normal?
No, it's sort of leaking. It's got to leak.
Like an exhaust leak?
Bottom was there. Weed balls on both sides.
Oh, okay, never mind. So that's normal.
Yeah.
Alright. Gonna say this thing was expensive. Like $1,400 for the exhaust system.
For this border?
Nah, it's a full cutback. The Borla Atak system, so it starts in the cast all the way back there. It didn't come with tips. $1,400 ain't give me no damn tips.
Yeah, because this thing's got to be like over here. That will be centered up.
Okay.
In order to do that, I got to like cut this stuff off right here and remake the pipe pretty much.
God damn.
Everything to slide over so this is lined up right.
Maybe that's why I didn't come with no damn tips.
Yeah, it is.
So does that, you guys say you had tips where you wouldn't have to cut?
Nah, because the way they come in, these things are centered on one pipe. That's why.
Well, shit. Alright, well,
Might be able to find some line and bring them out of down and they can really come in on one side and then they branch out. I don't know if they're going to fit in or not.
alright. Well, for now, we'll just do the resonator delete. And then I guess I'll figure out the tip. Mufflers are off. How many inches is this pipe?
I didn't measure it, so I'm getting
Like wide? Like
here.
I'm talking about like wideness. Is that like 2 inches?
2.5 inch
2.5?
steel.
Okay. I didn't even know he was cutting that from my car. I'd have been paying attention. Dang. Question.
Yeah.
What's that for? This electricity looking jumper cable
Oh, that's a
thing.
ground for the welder. You can have the ground for it to weld.
Oh, okay.
It's just a ground.
Oh, alright, let's see. I was trying to figure it out. I'm like, I don't know what the hell that thing is. It's my guy putting in work. Oh man, slow's moving again. I'm gonna cut the camera off so you guys can hear me later. Goddamn Civic. Alright, they just cut and bend those pipes. It's kind of crazy to me. I was like, hey, bro, you doing that with your eyes? This is an eye test? He was like, yeah, I do this all the time. So I guess since he's here every day, it's probably easy to him. To me, I would have to cut that thing 80 times. He cut it like twice. But they're about done. They're welding it up right now. Hopefully we won't get no weird leaks or nothing like that. I mean, they're professionals. They put the exhaust system on for me, so I'm sure it'll be fine. We're gonna see how it sounds in a little while, man. I'm a wee bit nervous, man. A wee bit nervous, but hopefully it sounds good. I'm gonna let him focus, and I'm gonna get back to you guys in a second. I don't want to get hit by no sparks. My hair catch on fire. As long as it don't leak.
Yeah, it's not really.
All right, so we're damn near straight pipe now. As you can see, got some good welding done. Awesome. As you can see, I just got this thing welded up. It looks great. Hopefully, it sounds great as it looks. Because, like I said, we've been nervous, brother. But yeah, he's cleaning up. We'll go ahead and pay these gentlemen and we get out of here. And hopefully, it don't sound like shit. Actually, no, they got started. It's when they bring it down, so I can hear it. So we'll get a start for you guys here in a second. Let's go, Chan. Uh-oh. It does sound different. Woo! It actually sounds a lot different. Hey, don't crash my car, young man. But it sounds a lot different. I don't know if it's because we're in this garage setting right now, but it sounds way different. I'm gonna get this thing outside, pay these guys, and we're gonna drive it. I'm gonna check how the drone is and stuff like that. Hopefully it's not too bad, but I'm happy. I am happy. I'm glad it don't sound like shit. You see Cerberus in the back looking beastly. First drive with the muffler delete. Come on, champ. Get out of here. First drive with the muffler delete. Let's. I just put it in sport mode, so we about to get the most aggressiveness. Sounds good, man. It sounds good. I was hoping it wasn't gonna sound like a damn ricer or something like that, a damn four banger, but it sounds good. Big drone. So if you get the Borla and you do a muffler delete, you will experience some drone. Normal Borla Atak really has almost no drone. I would say that it probably quadrupled from what it was, but I mean, I just got it done, so it's not unbearable. Like I said before, I don't know. I actually kind of like it. It just gives the car more sound. Maybe I'm weird, but all right, guys, I am back home. Muffler delete complete. Tune into the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Me and Cerberus out.
Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Left wrist for the diamonds, right wrist for the power moves. Power moves, power moves. Rocked up, yabba dabba do.